How to change the country on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now as you tap on your profile, you can see the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen as well. So tap on it. Now as you tap on it, tap on settings and privacy over here. After that, it will lead you to a new page of settings and privacy where you'll be able to see different options available over here. So you just have a tap on the account option available at the very first. Now as you tap on account information, and here you can see the account region. So tap on account region, and right now it's in Nepal right now. Now you can change it to any of the other region or any other country that you want to set it to. And as you tap on any of these options over here, you can just change your country over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.